Hello everyone, so welcome back to KhmerueTeams official. In this video tutorial, I want to teach you how to use 2 fingers or 3 fingers inside the laptop's device. It's simply not working if you don't know how to put the drivers or to put something else that requiring files need to install to your laptop device. So here is the way that you can see after we have already installed the drivers and synaptics drivers inside your laptop device. So to do that, you can see you are using 2 fingers to scroll down and up, and 3 fingers to switch every taskbar from one taskbar to other taskbar. That is important thing that some device is not working after you reinstall the Windows. So some laptops may not working, but if you don't know how to install all kind of driver inside your computer device. Now you can see it. The first step, you can remember, you know that what is your model of your laptop version. So here I am using a Lenovo version, and drivers may be different from each brand, each model. So I have the source here that I have already downloaded from the website. So the first one we call synaptics drivers, and the second one is the driver that's completely supported to your model device. So these both are completely different. You can check my description below to make sure that your device is still working. So the thing you need to do is you must clarify that you are using what brands and what model's name of your laptop device. In here you can search the correctly to your model. For example, I am using Lenovo's Windows 10. So thing that we gonna do is you need to type the model or brand's names to clarify its completely support to your device. So here I am using Lenovo's Touchpad driver for Windows 10, and after that you need to put the identifiers driver download to completely go directly to the source that have a million of drivers still stay there, and it support all kind of brand, all kind of model driver inside this website. So you need to click through the Google search to find the completely sourced. You will find the real way or the real source to completely to connect it to your device that you are using. So you will see the driver identifiers.com, and here is the right way that you gonna go through directly to your brand name, your brand model. And here is the file that synaptics pointing device that support all kinds of Lenovo here, that you can see the operating system just behind on the right hand side here, that support Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Win X, Win 9, and Win 10, and also 11 too. That you can choose one or download one. Don't worry. After you download that, you will got this file like this. So now you have 2 files that call synaptic driver ones, and the second is the drivers that support with pointing device. So the first step you need to do is to go to install the synaptic drivers first. That is originally from the site source of synaptic driver. After that, you have to install that and wait until it finish. Now we're gonna skip this one first and click accept all agreement and wait about few seconds until the driver is completely installed to your device. And here is the driver that completely installed. Now the second step is you need to restart your laptop device to make something change to your PC. So you have to wait about 2 minutes or 3 minutes depending on your restarting speed of your computer's model number. So now I gotta start up the PC again, and you will see the something that appearing and already installed just inside the device manager. And you can find something like this by you will see one button appearing like this after you already installed. Now the second step is you need to install the driver pointing device that completely support with your brand's Lenovo model. So install it again, and okay, now I'm gonna wait a few seconds here, and you already seen this. This means the original SIM-stick driver is already installed, and the second step is you need to install the device pointing device that support with your brand's models. So this is the second time that you are install the source of original drivers from the website that we have just downloaded from driver identifiers. And here you need to launch that and click on next and wait a few seconds more until the driver is completely installed to your device. And you have to wait some a bit more until it finishes. Now you get 4 drivers already installed to your device here. So this is the name of the driver that support with your model device. After that, you need to click on finish, and then you need to restart again the second time that you have to restart the second term of your PC device. Okay, just look like this, and don't worry, it will work fine for you and it will support very well. Now after the computer is start up, you will now can use the 2 fingers to scroll up and down just like this. And here you can see now only 2 fingers that scroll up and down, and also 3 fingers. If you already done this method and still not working, so you need to update the latest driver from the Windows source, just doing like this. And now I'm click on device manager and click on mouse and SIM-stick driver. So you click update driver and then search automatically. If your driver is not properly installed, it will take some time to update it automatically from this source, and they will ask you to restart again to get it work. So thank you for watching my video tutorial. I hope this video is very helpful to all of you.